There are three main types of digital nomads: employees, freelancers, and entrepreneurs. An employee is someone who works full-time for a company. They get a steady salary, they get benefits, and they get a boss. A freelancer is a person who works on projects. They often work on their own schedule and get paid by the hour or by the project. They are warriors without kings. Entrepreneurs own their own businesses. They create their own luck and is always hustling. Now, if someone asked you, out of the three types of digital nomads, which type do you think is the most popular? And many may answer, freelancer, of course. After all, it sure seems that freelancers have the greatest flexibility in terms of their schedule and location. But it might surprise you to learn that freelancers may actually not be the most common type of digital nomad. I did a quick study on the different types of digital nomads in a program called Remote Year, which is a structured program that brings different types of digital nomads together to travel and work for an entire year. And it turns out the most popular digital nomads are full-time employees. Yes, you heard that correctly. The most popular digital nomads on Remote Year are full-time employees. Out of a sample size of 181, they actually make up close to 50% of the pie. So which type of digital nomad do you want to become? Let's find out by first hearing about the trade-offs of each type from our resident career coach, Melissa.